Right a while.
Hey guys, welcome back.
So since Christmas is coming up, this whole week is gonna be Christmas themed. And today we're up on the North Shore for the Billabong Pipe Masters surfing competition. Obviously Hawaii is like one of the biggest surf spots in the world. So this competition we're going to today is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, surf competitions in the world. So we should get to see some pro surfers and see some big waves, and it should be fun.
Aloha kakahayaka, good morning and welcome to Pipeline.
The horn has blown. We are off and running. This is the finals.
Gabriel Medina getting himself into this final.
On the backhand, awing off back door. Oh my God.
Now more action pulling under a big section. Kelly Slater gets the exit. Big hack in transition. Kelly took this wave.
Late takeoff under the curtain. Locked in, still rolling. He'll come out of this one. Pushes through.
Yeah, your two-time world champion, Gabriel Medina.
All right, we just got done at the Billabong Pipe Masters. Since today was the finals day of the Vans Triple Crown and the Pipe Masters, we got to see Gabriel Medina. He's this Brazilian surfer, and he won the Pipe Masters competition, and he won a world title. So that was sick. We got to see that.
And we got to see Kelly Slater.
Yes, Kelly Slater is the famous American surfer. He surfed today. He got knocked out in the semifinals.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was awesome. There was a ton of people. It was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, back to the Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
Beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away.
To continue this Christmas vlog, we are gonna go ice skating. There's one ice rink in all of Hawaii, and luckily it's in Honolulu. It's only about 20 minutes away from our apartment.
I'm just putting on my eyebrows.
I haven't skated in a while, and I have to wear rental skates, so this will be interesting. If you didn't know, I used to shred. I used to slap the puck around. I was an all-star hockey player. I almost went pro, but bad knee injuries really took me out, so my dreams were crushed. Just kidding. No, but I did used to play hockey. I just got too old. I wasn't good enough, okay? Is that what you want to hear?
Yeah.
I just thought that BREE was more important, so I quit playing hockey for BREE. Just to spend more time with her.
That is not true.
Nah, school's more important.
Yeah, he stopped for school.
Yeah. Let's go shred.
The gnarly ice.
Okay.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing.
Ice skating was a blast. It was fun. It really made me miss home.
Yeah, me too.
It was nice and cool in there. It felt good. And it's been pouring rain and the camera's all foggy.
Yesterday.
Perfect day.
Hey guys! I don't know how to start that. In February last year, Jeremy gave me these cute like love coupons for Valentine's Day. And I get to use them whenever I want. And so this one's home cooked meal. So Jeremy made us enchiladas tonight and apple cider. So that's what we're having tonight. But it's so cute.
Alright, to finish this Haole vlog Christmas special, we are gonna do a gingerbread house
Oh my god.
Ugh. Gingerbread house competition. What is so funny?
You said house weird.
Anyways, yeah, so Bree and I each have our own gingerbread houses, and they're pre-assembled, which, I mean, we're kind of cheating a little bit, but that way we are only judging on the decorating skills, nothing else. All right, let's get started. First, we need to put our icing in some warm water. This gingerbread house kit comes with frosting, obviously. We got some red fondant.
Ew.
Fondant?
I hate when people say that.
Fondant? I don't know how you say it. We got these gumdrop things. And we got little mistletoe hard candy things. Miniature candy canes. And then the pre-assembled gingerbread house. Also, this is Bree's first ever gingerbread house. So when these are all done, you guys are gonna have to comment on which one you think is better.
Mine.
Look at that.
Okay, you're doing it all wrong. You know you're supposed to fold this down. God, have you never made
No, you just
cupcakes
twist
before?
it. You twisted it.
You go like this. Have you never watched a cooking show?
No.
Well, that's pretty apparent. You fold it down so you can get maximum frosting at the tip.
That's what she said.
Oh.
Thanks, babe.
Ah. Yes. Here we go. I'm going in. Never done this before.
That's pretty clear.
I'm gonna start with a nice... I'm gonna go with the classic
He's going the easy
foliage.
way.
No, I'm gonna cover my house, the roof, completely with
White.
white, like snow.
Never such a miserable boy.
This is my first Christmas away from home. It's kind of depressing. But I got Bree here.
Yeah,
so
please.
it's fun.
How rude.
No, it just sucks not being with family, you know?
I am your family.
I miss the snow. I hate to say it. I never thought I would say that, but growing up in Wyoming, where there's snow every year for Christmas, and then in Hawaii, there's no snow. It's just palm trees and sand and sunshine. It's kind of weird. Are you just looking off the picture?
No, did the picture have a chimney? And I can do it however I feel like.
However I feel like. I'm gonna roll out my fondant. We don't have a rolling pin, so we're gonna use a La Croix.
LaCroix.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. And when you walk down
That's cheating. You have to use frosting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. He cheated. He's disqualified.
If anything, I should get bonus points for creativity.
He literally drew a window on his door with a Sharpie instead of using frosting.
At least I'm not looking at the box.
What do you mean? We're allowed to do that one.
These things are tiny. Look how small that is. I got huge fingers. When you guys are judging this, take into consideration that I have giant fingers, please. Baby.
Take into consideration that he cheated. Take into consideration that I actually piped on designs while he threw it on there and spread it around with a butter knife. I'm done and I'd be glad
You're
if I...
done? Does that mean I win?
have a holly jolly Christmas.
Alright, we're all done with our wonderful gingerbread houses. We're gonna clean up and then we'll show you the final products. And then you guys vote and we'll see you guys next week. Have a Merry Christmas
And a Happy New Year.
well, we'll see you before New Year's.
Bye guys.
Okay, go comment your vote on your favorite gingerbread house and we'll see you next week.